Hello, traders. Welcome to episode 466. Happy 420 to you. Night show. Had the day show. Welcome. All right. If you missed the day show, we're just going to do the updates of XRP and Bitcoin and Ethereum. Might be a brief one. I don't know. Okay. So, Bitcoin just, that slam-packed action of today where we sold off and fell below the 20 moving average only briefly. And then we wicked all the way back up and closed near the open. 53.18 was the close, and we got as low as 52.60. So now we're just kind of floating along. I mean, this is what you do in the weekend at night. I mean, here, anyway, the U.S. I mean, it's just, you get what I'm saying. It's just not a time where the price will normally pump to the upside or move to the upside, and especially the weekend trading desks being closed, right? All of them. So I don't know, man. It's a rising wedge, and technically you got a high here, and you're getting higher highs, and you've got like really low levels of positive momentum. I mean, so someone could say, hey, could I argue that might be bearish divergence? Yeah, somewhat. I mean, it's just not it. I feel like we're getting to, you're at the area. You're in an area where it's starting to get dicey, where the move down is coming. But we want to see 54.20 to 54.30 before we sell off. But if we wake up tomorrow and Bitcoin sold off all the way down to like 51.90 or something like that, it wouldn't be that weird or that crazy. Okay, so really hoping to see if we can hit that 886. It'd be beautiful. It's so textbook right now. Almost there, man. Less than $100. Okay. Is it even there? Probably not. It's Saturday night, and it's 420. I could imagine people got better things to do than watch me. All right. Not bad. Not bad, Jalen, man. At all. Is my Streamlabs effed up? What do you mean? Did you tip me or something? It should not be messed up. At all. Kidding? Tell me what's going on. Hey, Alex, man. SD, Infinite Paradox, welcome. True Stoner. Mr. Lights, Guy Gamer, Hey Jalen, Purposely, Knights of Harmonics. Pretty lit, man. See, it's not broken, man.
Is that a joint?
Marijuana is not a drug. I used to suck feet for coke. Now if that's an addiction, you suck some feet for marijuana? I didn't think so. Bob Saget Comedy Central version half-baked. Happy 420 Mitch in the community.
Thanks, dude, for the 420 contribution, Ryan Phillips. Means a lot. All right. Very cool. Whoa. Super chat. What's going on? What's the super chat, dude? Thanks, Mr. Elixir. Ascending triangle on 4 hour? Not, dude. No, on the 4 hour, it looks like a rising wedge. Okay. Anchor point 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And then 1 and 2 here, or 1 and 2 here. It looks like a rising wedge, way more than ascending triangle. Okay. To just go to a clean Bitcoin chart, so we can make make it look cleaner. Alright, we'll just go to this one. There you go, Mobius, man. It's Bitcoin, though. Slow.
Happy 420 drink a beer on me.
Is that a joint?
Thanks, Mobius, man. My fellow statesman did for the cryptocurrency contribution, Bitcoin. Yeah, man, it's just, I guess it's a little slow, right? We should compare the Litecoin transaction, or the speed of Litecoin to Bitcoin, right? See what happens, dude, right? So we're just gonna look at on on the 4 hour, you were like ascending triangle. To me, it just looks like I mean, I get the wick, right? I get what you're talking about, but really, man, just kind of like this, or it's just kind of falling out, but you're just adjusting as it goes up. You can see it, right? You can clearly see the two upsloping converging trend lines. So, I mean, you know, it's just, that's the way it looks to me. And of course, how could we forget, right? How could we forget? Holy crap, we're so close. I can't believe it, man. Dang, dude, change colors here, man. I don't know, dude. I don't know. What would that one do, man? There we go. Hot pink. Fresh hot pink. Magenta. Blues. Okay. That's it, man. Not much of an ascending triangle if you ask me. But looks like a very nice little 4 hour wedge. Whoops. Let me in. Good God. Alright, man. There you have it. Roll Tide. Are we cool? I think we're cool, man. Sorry. Okay. Bitcoin 53.40, less than $100 away from 54.20.
Is that a joint?
All right. Okay. Ethereum Connect. I did a video on Ethereum Connect today. You remember? I think we all remember the cipher, but come on, man. Come on, get up there. Stay above the 20 moving hours. You're doing it, man. You're staying above it. You're rejecting lower prices. Let's see if we can rally one more time. Let's go, baby. We need $180. That's the 1618 fib extension from B to C. And then from X to C, you have the 786 retrace at $182. So we're looking for prices higher so we could then develop bearish divergence and get wrecked to lower prices. Come on. Finish. Let the bearish cipher finish what you started. Okay, Darth Vader and Kylo Ren. The patterns. The bearish patterns. Or something. Okay. Sorry. Just reading chat. What's up, Alex, dude? Sergi, you're in Russia, Moscow? Are you really, dude? Nuh-uh. Don't lie to me. What's up, Alan Ellis? NVT is all you hear these days. What do I make of it? I don't know, man. Just an indicator that is at a critical resistance according to what Logan was looking at. And every single time we get to those levels, we get wrecked. Big sell-offs happen. So, make of that what you will. Don't completely, note it. Hey, that has been noted. Alright, now we're looking at Bitcoin, bearish bat. We're looking at Bitcoin, what? Upsloping consolidation after an impulse up. Improper consolidation. People aren't able to accumulate Bitcoin at these prices because it's too high. Long position's too risky. So eventually what would happen is demand would dry up and we'd sell off to hit areas of value. Down to like between 4,200 and 4,600 or so, right? But I don't know, man. Maybe the NVT is just another coinciding variable to everything we're talking about with golden retraces being hit, targets we talked about months ago, 5,800 being extremely powerful resistance. I mean, maybe it's a coinciding variable of the argument we've already had and we've had for a while. All right. Sucking feet. That's right, dude. Hold on. Is that a ficus tree? Yeah, Brad. I'm a big ficus tree fan. I love maples too. That's actually a lace leaf Japanese maple in the background. Bets at an all-time high. What the TA on them, dude? Brent, what's the TA on them, man? I don't know, dude. Maybe we'll look at it. Crap. I don't even know if I have that right now, Shaylin. You think chat froze again? Of course. It is broken. God, dude, I'm about to be done. Once I figure out how to make a transparent YouTube chat without Restream, I'm done. I'm done with Restream for a while. I just can't. I'm just done with it, dude. It causes so much headache. Okay, extreme amounts of headache. And performance suffers now. I'm just done with it, man. It's like, this is, hey, do you want people to stop using your platform? Because this is how you do it. Thanks, Restream, for being so trash. So trash that we're dropping you. Great idea, but too stupid to make it. Alright. I restarted it. What's up, Joseph V? I don't know, man. You're saying Joseph Valero might want to tell me how you got the red and green on the MACD histogram. Dude, I don't know what happened. Somehow I logged on my trading view. My MACD was gone. And then I went to just type in MACD. And I added that. And then I erased the lines. And I was like, dang, dude, it's by default red and green. So maybe just delete your MACD and just re-add the new one. And maybe there was an update. But I have no idea. I didn't do that. But I did like it so much that I stuck with it. Cool. What's up, Dream Surfer 21? I mean, possibility we could run to the upside. We just rejected prices lower than the 20 moving average. We rejected it and bounced back up. So yeah, possibility we could run to the upside. I mean, we're up, getting closer and closer to the highest high we've had since we pivoted April 15th, right? Thanks, Mr. Kobayashi. Make you feel a little bit high. Well, if you're in on BNB or BAT, you are high. That is a certainty. What is this BTC? Do you not see the magnified ticker up here, dude? Do you see Ethereum? All right, now let's look at Ripple. Okay, Ripple. What was it? Got as low as 73%, wasn't it? 75? Yeah, 73.7%. And we pivoted, but we're not really doing anything. So there's still always the chance that Ripple could sell off to hit 31.9 cents, which would be the last fib node that you can hit before the pattern, the BAT, potential BAT would become invalid. So anywhere we pivot between here is fine. Okay. What is that, Daniel? What are you talking about? Matt, Richard, read your minded. Yeah, we could say there's a head and shoulder for Ethereum. If you check my video, my static video I did today, we discussed that quite thoroughly. All right. Yep, BAT. Fantastical. Fantastical. Okay. There's BAT. All-time highs, 8,374. What we talk about, man? What did we talk about? 8,800 is the measured move. This is the measure move. All right. Right there, man. Yeah, 8,800. That's it, dude. So we are so close, right? And we're, you know, I've not adjusted this at all, but like you can clearly, the way we had it before, we're nearing the top of it. Might start touching that as resistance. I don't know. I mean, probably be smart to adjust 1 and 2 and then just 3 up here. Be a much larger channel, but could expect 80, 85, 45. All right. And then, of course, the measure move right above it. So you're very close to these targets of these very large patterns. Inverse head and shoulders. Kangs, dude. Kangs. On bat. $20, $50, 200 rupee. Dang, dude. That's really shame. All right. Oh, nice. Nice, Bradford, dude. Nice harmonic. No, Derek, I can't, because that's not my name. Daniel, if we break resistance on what? How long will we stay above before bears drop? What does that mean? That's very interesting. Oh my god, dude. Kova showing a crazy, crazy rising wedge. No one's ever asked about this, I don't think. Covalent. Wow, look at this wedge, dude. Beautiful wedge. Even on the daily. So wedging up a little bit. But yeah, nice to see it break the other side. Very nice Momo shift. I think you definitely got something, right? Probably had a channel like this. And then broke it. It might have been like, I don't know, man. Had a channel, you broke out of it. And that's it. You know, another would be like, okay, but then it's like this, dude. It's like, okay, yeah, you broke that too. I mean, you really broke it, back tested, and then there's a break hook and go on the daily on this thing. Alright, that's crazy. Because if you exclude this and just do it like this. I mean, it's not really a wedge, dude. I'm sorry. It's not really a wedge, but it was still 2 down slipping converging trend lines. See, you got that break hook and go confirmation, right? Where you broke out. Kind of, right? Yeah, you broke out. You then back tested the area that was once a resistance as support, and then you bullishly engulfed after that. And here you go, the confirmation. We're now running. Fibbing, though, I don't even know how you're going to fib. I mean, probably like this, high to low. And you've hit the 100% retrace. You're struggling at the 88.6% retrace, like 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Okay. But if you could ever break this, then you got targets. You got targets at 79.90, 86.16, and 95.14. All right. But right now, might be asking for a sell-off soon just because of the wedge that has developed. It looks even better on the 4-hour. Looks very nice on the 4-hour, doesn't it? Oh, yeah. Perfect, man. Perfect. Okay. Thanks for the 177 people tuned in right now. If you're enjoying the live stream, please hit the that like button, that bell, that sub. Can we get 100 likes, or are we screwed? I don't know. Okay. I don't know, man. Like, no requests. Not much going on. Okay. Normally those are like good off nights. Gross. Why'd I pick that particular fib? Because that fib right there, that's like clearly the top, like you impulse down. I don't know. That's like Inception stuff, right? Oh my God. You can see that we hit a high twice, and from there we sold off. It was like really I mean, you could fib up here, sure, and you could probably get confluence, right? You can go from this high, I guess, up here. But I'm going from the height of the structure that was the potential wedge or whatever. Okay. So if you fib from that high up there, you're just hitting near the 382. All right. So there's confluence at the 1414 and the 50% retrace. So 8,500 is also like a really strong resistance. So there you go. Yeah. I mean, you can do whatever. I mean, you can fib from the high, the previous high or the high before it. And when you do that, you're just getting confluence. So we see that there's a really strong resistance at 8,500. And I mean, there was a resistance, big strong one here. And now we're using it as support. And now we're running again. All right. So the 382 and the 100%, that's another area of confluence. Okay. So you can use both, man. They should make sure it's the same low. Let me turn the fan on. It's getting hot. Hold on. Okay.
Is that a joint?
Can you please take a look at hot/USDT Mon D?
Sure, man. Thanks, Anon. Fiverr Pros, man. Oh my God. Drive, monkey, drive. I wish I had it on my sound deck or stream deck, whatever. Don't have it.
Son, do you know why I pulled you over? Littering and smoking the reefer. Happy Devil's Lettuce Day, brother.
Is that a joint?
Thanks, dude, for the 4242. Holy crap, Pros. Thanks. Really appreciate it. Phew. It's been a weird one. Definitely a weird one. Alright. Probes, how's it hanging over there? Is it, you know, you're in Cali, right? So you're probably getting secondhand smoke. Doesn't matter where you are. It's like a smog alert. It's like a, you know, smoke alert. You know, like, oh my God, dude, there's too much marijuana being smoked in California. Keep all your windows and doors closed. Unless you want to be exposed to the noxious marijuana devil's fumes. Okay. Be careful over there. Here it's insane this time of the year. $5,800 Dream Server. Thanks, Todd Mullis, for the $2. That's true, Guy Gamer. I don't know, man. Yeah, that was the trade-off, but I'd much rather have less reliable notification, a less reliable notification system, than having my screen melt like every 5 seconds. So it was a big trade-off, and had to make an executive decision on what to do since I finally found the problem. We did, I guess. All of us found it. Okay. So Give me a sec. Yep. It's probably time. It looks like it's time for IOTA, man. Definitely. The kind of price action right there on IOTA, dude. Mr. Caffeine. You're at the 1.618 fib extension. When you're bullishly diverging like crazy, it's probably time. IOTA's probably about to run to the upside. It's looking like it. The probability, based on the 4-hour indicators, it seems likely, but I don't know how high we would go. All right. It's hilarious, dude. I haven't looked at this pair in a while. Let's look at it together. Well, we did it, man. We did it. We broke out. We broke out, dude. Holy crap, dude. Nice, nice, nice uptrend. Beautiful. Well, I'm digging that. Not bad. Not bad right there. Right? Hardline resistance, resistance, resistance. Support. Not bad. Yeah. You impulse up. You retraced, and now you're rallying. We get that rally all the time. What happens on that rally? Most of the time, we will get bearish divergence if we ever double top or make higher highs. So we don't even have positive momentum on this rally yet. Taking time to get there. But very nice. Very nice move to the upside. Dude, straight up, though. You know what it really looks like? Wow. It's like you had this decent, or, you know, you can see it somewhat, right? The psychology, right? So maybe it's not valid. Who knows? But you can see it. You had this sell wall. You had this sell wall, and you had accumulation, right? Well, what's that, dude? That's ascending triangle-esque. Whether you want to call it that or not. You don't have to call it that, but you can still know what's going on between buyers and sellers. So we like broke it, sold off, retraced, didn't even backtest, almost did. And
finding your channel has been a huge turning point for finally understanding charts. Just a small token of appreciation, brother. Thanks.
Is that a joint?
thanks, Art of JR, for the 420 contribution. Really appreciate that, man. Well, I'm glad to hear it, that I've been somewhat of a positive influence in your life. It's a great fulfillment. Thanks, dude. Cheers. Walden Coin continuing to go to the moon. Walden Coin? Where'd you go, dude? Kiki. Alright. Measure move, insane. I don't know, man. What probably would be smartest thing to do, I think, is let's just go from the high, the previous high to previous low. 1618. You're right now. You use it as resistance, sold off. Here we are again, wicking off the 1618 at 14,803 sats. Let's see if we can do it, man. Very, very low volume on this rally. Yes. No bueno, man. Okay. But yeah, it looks beautiful, dude. Beautiful uptrend. I wish the BTC pair would start playing ball like this pair. Okay. I mean, it has been, of course, right? But you get it. Wait, and by the way, Todd, didn't we already do BAT? I've already done BAT tonight. We actually already looked at XRP Theory Cosmo, man. If you stick around for like another 40 or 20 minutes or something, we look at it at the top of the hour, that, Bitcoin, Ethereum. But you can just rewind too. Third asset we looked at, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then XRP, I believe. Kenson, what do you expect? It's the weekend. It's Saturday night for the U.S. Oh my God, it broke the new highs. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do, man? Holy crap. Go, baby, go. Hey, look, inverse head and shoulders. My God, how beautiful. It was gone, dude. Inverse head and shoulders right there. How did we not see it? How could we be so blind? Doesn't matter. We know what it was really doing. This was the real inverse head and shoulders that is playing out right now. So magnificently. All right. Measure move is at 8,800 sats. Currently up 8.55% on the day. That's a 666 sat gain. Beautiful, baby. All right, and so far just hitting that top trend line of the channel, or the trend line top trend line of the channel that we plotted, that we did not adjust or move at all. We haven't touched it. Okay, from 1 and 2 and 3. There you go, dude. Okay, bullish, huge bullish engulfing candle on this 4-hour candle. We got 19 minutes left till close. This 4-hour closes. All right, nice. You overbought 77 on the RSI. Yeah, there you go, man. It is breaking somewhat, isn't it? Oh, this is probably invalid anyway. Probably read chart. That would probably, yeah, that makes a lot more sense. Look at the heart line. Holy crap, beautiful. Makes a lot of sense, doesn't it? Yes. Okay. There you have it, dude. Are you gonna look at Litecoin or what? Yeah, I'll give you Litecoin, dude. I got your Litecoin hanging, dude. Sorry, dude. Stop scrubbing around. Just literally being a pleb, dude. Distribution. Buy wall. Uh-oh. This could be it. This could be it for Litecoin. No bueno, man. Not what we're looking for, dude. You keep holding on to this. You keep hugging this buy wall. You keep making lower highs. This thing's going down. All right. I'm telling you, you hit these areas of support, you better start really running to the upside. You're rejecting higher prices, and every time you're making highs now, they're just lower than the previous ones. And now you keep hitting this buy wall. All these orders are getting filled, man. And when they all get filled, there may not be any more demand at this price. There may only be demand at lower prices. Oh, man. Sorry. Parallel channel, Inverts United, parallel channel. Okay. XRP update. Oh my god, XRP update. Don't you worry, man. We've covered XRP, and we're going to cover it again in just a little bit. Yeah, Litecoin's real Bitcoin. No, Litecoin's better than every bank that exists on the planet, man. You just don't understand. Wow, Bradford. Nice one with Elon. Okay. Ditto on XRP update. Okay. Alright, we're going to stop the show and we're going to go back to XRP because everyone wants XRP. We should just be the 24/7 XRP technical analysis news show where we just literally sit on XRP the entire show and look at it. There it is. Here's your update. The update is we sold off to 32 cents, 32.478 cents, and we're back up, but who cares? You're not doing anything. You're potentially setting up for a bearish bat pattern, but we have not yet pivoted. We don't anywhere between where we are now and this 886. If you pivot and you start running to the upside, then we know it's a valid pattern. We don't know yet, okay? But you can't go any lower than 31.85 cents. Okay, you got to stay above that. Negative momentum is still building, gross, and you have plenty of room to run on the RSI. If you wanted to keep building negative momentum and keep selling off, then you've got a long way to go before you become oversold. Gross. Yes, Bat is on fire. We just looked at it, dude. We just looked at Batman. Like, this is the second time, maybe even the third time tonight we've looked at Bat running to higher highs. All right, we know that there are fib extensions up there. And there's a measured move of the huge inverse head and shoulders. Okay, man. All right. You want updates? You want real updates, man? Okay, well. Profit taking level hit, dude. Power Pro, man.
Is that a joint?
Was it over when the Germans bombed Pearl Harbor? Hell no!
Farvis shoots in damn TA Punk. Farv is number one. Farv is number one.
Farv is number one. Farv is number one. What about the part where he vomits, dude? Thanks, pros, for the 33-33. Almost got me, but not quite. Thanks, dude. Wow. Dude, thanks for the 75-75. Repeating, of course, the Leroy Jenkins session top. Jesus, man. Thanks, dude. Can I do XRP again? Sure, dude. Okay, XRP. Da-da-da-da. Or fly. Fly, monkey, fly. I knew one of these days these things were going to take off. Okay. So, yeah, dude. You look at the daily on XRP. Oh, my goodness, man. Oh, my goodness. We're getting so close to the apex of the insane amount of price contraction that has been developing since August of 2018. August and September, right? You got higher lows, but lower highs. Distribution, but accumulation. And nearing an apex. The apex is when the moves come. All right. We got bullish convergence the whole way up, and we've been selling off. I mean, besides a couple big moves to the upside, that we're, blessed enough to get in on a couple of them. We've been selling off really since January 2018, man. Well over a year. It's a long time. It's a long correction, man. So instead of, continuously look lows and lower lows, all of a sudden higher lows. What? Higher lows? More higher lows. Holding horizontal line support. And upsloping support. Yet we can't find demand to break to higher prices. We just know a big move's coming. All right, big move. And if it was to the upside, if we were break the upside, we go from that high up here to low, and you look in between 41.4 cents and 49.439 cents. All right, that's like the just possibility of where we could expect prices to go if we got out of the downsloping equidistant channel. Are you kidding me? No. No. XRP Connect. Destroyed. Can't break above the 200-day moving average. You keep trying, you keep failing. Bitcoin's setting up for a daily golden cross. Many other alts have already had their golden crosses, and XRP's sitting back here being a scrub. Like, not even really close. Jeez, man. Definitely performs a lot different. Something about XRP and Batman. Oh my god. What's up, crypto military vet, man? Cheers to you, dude. Bat rewards on Android? Ooh. Sounds crazy. Eklund, do you want me to change the music, dude? You don't like it? Oh my god, try the tracks. Holy crap, dude. Thanks for $3 contribution. Can I look at Bat and XRP and Litecoin? Yeah, dude. 3, 2, 1. Okay. We're on XRP again. We're resetting the analysis because this is a robot show. I'm a robot, and you're treating this like a jukebox. So we'll just keep doing it, man. Play that jukebox. Is this the best song? Some people would say yes. Others would say absolutely not. Okay. Dude. My Bitcoin wallet address. Hey, go to mitchradeta.com and scroll all the way down. You'll see it. But, Derek, I would recommend if you're going to tip me in Bitcoin, just use Streamlabs. The link is in the description below. If you do it that way, then you actually get recognized for tipping me publicly on the stream. I know you were, dude. Of course. But thank you, dude, for the 3. Seriously. You silly, man. You silly, dude. Alright, we changed the music, dude. Any time for a G? Agi? I'm sorry, I can't hear you over this music, dude. Oh, sarcasm? What's sarcasm, dude? I'm a broke man on my kids.
Is that a joint?
What do Ripple and Dandy's Christmas tree have in common? They only go up in July. KGB Opera.
Dante's Christmas tree. Oh, Dante, where do you get your weed? From you, Dante. Thanks, man. Holy crap for the 10908. 10908. I'm trying to think, man. Is that some sort of special number, dude? Hey, Irfan Khan. Thanks for joining, dude. Farva Probes. Farva's number one! He really is. He really is. Oh, nice jam. Are you sure, dude? Because Eklund doesn't like reggae music on 420. There you go, Tom. It says, how high are you? Yes. Yes. Got completely sidetracked over here. Alright, from shenanigans. Lots and lots of shenanigans. Probes, you know about the shenanigans, okay? So. Okay, I guess I'll get a beer. Since Probes is pulling a Farva. Hold on. And I'm going to turn the music up that Eklund hates. I'm sorry, Eklund. Tough love. Is the music that bad, dude? I mean, that song wasn't that great, but it's okay. It's not like miserable. It makes it a little bit easier on me, so I don't have to like DJ stuff. A lot of things, Simple-Minded Anarchist. I mean, I like jam bands. I might turn on some Grateful Dead in a little bit, because that is also definitely 420-ish. Okay. Yeah, Blake. Yeah, it is. That's pretty much XRP people sometimes. XRP, man. XRP, please give me the XRP, man. All right. That's like when we're analyzing anything else, but even Bitcoin will get XRP. XRP now. Give it to me. All right, Speedy, man. Knock it out. Yeah, dude. Yeah, dude. That's kind of like... I remember every time I was going to XRP, and it was just like XRP to BTC, and I like didn't even want to go to it because what it was doing was so weird and like was so suspicious. Its price action, what it was doing here was so weird, and like you don't... I mean, you're selling off, and then, you know, you're holding the 618, you're retracing, making lower highs, selling off again, getting back to it, and then lower highs again, and it's just, like, terrible. And here you are, you broke in the golden retrace, and now you're holding really, really meh support. I see a little bit, but barely any, okay? 786 next target. 409 sats down here. Very well could get there in time. Right, that's it, man. Oh, how the mighty have fallen. Oh, is this some sort of crazy scrub pattern again? No, it can't be. I don't think it can. Maybe it can be. X, A, B, C, D. I don't know, man. Let's be... I mean, isn't this what someone would do on the marijuana? Let's just experiment here, man. Oh, almost 50% retrace. Oh man, I think that's too deep. Too deep. So the 1618's right here. Oh yeah, dude, that's right. We already did this. Those two areas right there. No, we didn't even. We didn't even do this, man. But this is so insane. All right, so the 1618, I don't know if I've ever seen this. The 1618 is that next support, the top of the next support zone. And then the 786 is the bottom of it. Holy crap. That is beautiful. I can't believe you've done this. I can't, dude, this is so dumb. There we go. All right, Tron Connect. We'll see how it goes when we get down to these areas. Will it be an actual king, or will it be a scrub like XRP to BTC? All right, at least we know this wasn't in some sort of crazy rising wedge. This looks very, very possible. Wow. I mean, a little, about that up here. That's a little off, I think, but dude, that's pretty lit, man. Anyone here? Bueller? Probst? Farva? Anyone at all? Hello? What's the name of the restaurant you like with all the goopy S on the walls and mozzarella sticks? Oh! Pistol whip. That's the chopped and screwed version of this stream, Jalen. Dripped up and draped out. Kings. What's up, Sean, Hunter dude? We're just looking at XRP to BTC developing potentially an awesome looking harmonic of some sort. That's insane, the beauty here. I can't even believe it, man. It's so perfect. What's up, Hara Singh? Dasa, welcome. Yeah, MJ, it's a pretty depressing chart, I do declare. But hey, at least it hit the measure move of the rising wedge, and it's sitting there still. So, Rupee, hello. Rupee, I'm talking to you. You're the one that requested this S-Coin. Private citizen, I hope you're not calling me one of these crystal ball analysts. Okay, because I'm not a crystal ball analyst. Alright, Todd, have a good one, man. With that, congrats on your gains if you do it. Charles Anderson, happy 420 from Vegas. Long-time fan, first time online live with show. Thanks, Charles, man. Really appreciate the chiming in, man. Let me know, dude. Good vibes to you. All right, from Alabama. Okay, that's where I'm at. A little bit, kind of far away. But not here. All right. Sorry, Ruby. It's so sad, dude. But hey, dude, why be sad? There is hope for ye at the 400 to 420 sat area.
Is that a joint?
It made perfect sense, dude. All right. Wow. I mean, that's like a potential trade setup, dude. Seriously. Demon Man.
What up, El Ray? Happy for 20 crypto fam. Feel free to not get trapped.
20 crypto fan? 20 crypto fan. Wait, what? What you talking about, homie? Hold on. Happy for 20 crypto fam. I get 20, but twin T. I mean, talking about this T, man? This T? Yeah. Holy crap, dude. Mr. Damon, we hit 100 likes, man. Fireworks for Sty Girl and Mr. Damon, man. Thanks for the 5, dude. Super kangish. All right, Todd. Thanks for the $2 super chat. Good luck to you, brother man. Good luck. Oops, sorry, it's kind of loud. My bad. Still a little loud. Dang, dude. This thing can't get it together. YouTube did not alert you? Yeah, it's not going to. That's why you need to be part of our Discord. If you want the best, most reliable way of getting notified at this point, because we're not using Twitch or any other live stream platform besides YouTube right now. The best way to get notified when I go live, 100% reliable, my Discord, our Discord, whatever. TA Mitch Rate, Discord. So if you're missing notifications, you can fix that. You can remedy that. Boom, though. Thanks for the like, Crypto Military Vet Man Kanks. Yeah, XRP to BTC, pumping to the downside. Yes. Terrible, dude. Remember what happens? You get stopped out. That's it. Can you look at bad? Can you look at bad, dude? Yeah, dude. Here's Batman. Here's Bat. Here's Bat. DC's Bat. DC's Bat. There's your Bat. I'll tell you, my ability to draw animals has gotten really, really good since I started doing harmonics, man, okay? If you want to get better at drawing animals, learn harmonics. Look at that Bat. Art contest. Could easily win. Yeah, 8,000. Well, 8,800 is measure move. Elvin, what are you talking about, dude? Are you just shilling? I don't even know what you're talking about. I don't Droppill and Jade. Droppill has Jade and a lot more stuff to offer. You talking about, is that a streaming platform? Dude, there's no way it's gonna be better than YouTube. Sorry, man. YouTube is watched more than cable. That would be like suicide, going to something I've never even heard of before and streaming on it and abandoning the most watched thing that exists on the planet, okay? Yeah, we all make mistakes, dude. Yeah, Justin King, dude. That's it, dude. What's up, Bubs, dude? Having a hard time getting past 5350? I mean, dude, it's the weekend. And you've pretty much created a rising wedge pattern. Okay. That's it. So, I mean, you're staying above the 20. And we're waiting. We're waiting for 5420 for a short entry. So we can take a low risk to get to target 1, 2, and 3. Hey, renewable guy, man.
Is that a joint?
Thanks for the $4.20. $4 or the 4.2 XRP. Thanks, man. XRP tip bot. Very cool. Yeah, but you don't really believe in Dropple? I don't even know. Sure. Whatever, man. So gross. Oh, you know what? Huh. Wow. That is so nasty. Fib it? No need to fib ZRX, dude. Not really, anyway. No need to fib it, man. I mean, it's like 100% retrace. If you're going to fib, you go from the low to high, and that's where you get fib extensions to the downside. Guess what? Not much support. Looking left after this area, but September of 2017 is where we're holding. Good God. That's it, dude. That's all you got left. Miserable, man. Miserable. But, you know, I mean, daily time scale. Gross, man. 3 black crows. Nice. Still plenty of room to run to the downside if you wanted to. You're 37 on the RSI. Good God, man. Pattern development? None. There's no pattern development. Come on, dude. No pattern has developed on the daily. It's just almost straight down. But you're near support. I mean, you're near a low risk position, but you don't have any real divergence yet on the daily. In the 4 hour, you have a little bit, I guess. Maybe. No, not even really, dude. This thing's terrible, man. It's terrible. I mean, we can attempt to... We can really give it a shot, I guess, trying to plot some sort of channel. There you have it, man. Oh, yeah. There you go, dude. You're contained within the parameters of 3 touch points on the bottom, 1 on the top. Heartline resistance. There you go, man. Hitting the support. Yeah, you might bounce, for sure. If you bounced, if you were to bounce here, anywhere here, from the high point to low point, if that was it, you'd look for between 68.50 and 73.77. And if you sold off more, wherever we bottomed, you'd fib the same way to look for targets to the upside, okay? You got to break the downsloping resistance at some point, though, okay? Hey, at least you're on the upper side of the downsloping channel, right? The top side, not the bottom side. That, you got that going for you, which is nice. Okay, impulse down, downsloping consolidation. Yeah, probably you could break to the upside, but divergence is very scrubby, okay? There's just a little bit, okay? A little bit from this low to this low. Okay, so the golden zone, if we were going to break to the upside, here it is. Good luck getting there. Have a good time, ZRX. Get wrecked. No, blacked out. Oh my God, Bitcoin's down, dude. $5. I'm sorry, $10. So, thank you. All right, AA, have a good time with that. Good Lord. Walter White. Or Jesse Pinkman. Yeah, probably way more interesting than this stream, ES Trading. So, thanks. Okay, man. Well, I guess we got something out of tonight in terms of TRX to BTC. Maybe developing a really crazy looking harmonic, right? That was cool. Colby, man. Oh my God. Easy, man. Go get the fib channel tool. Or the fib channel, yeah, fib channel tool right here. I mean, this is me. This is my hotkey. I have all my favorites up there hidden. You can't see them. But yeah, get your fib channel tool. It's right here. Okay, once you get the fib channel tool, plot it randomly on your screen and then do this. You want to set your style, take off all the fibs, and plug in 0, 0.25, 0.5, 0.75, and 1. 5 different coordinates. That's literally it. Or, you know, that's all you need to have. And then you're good. No fibs. Just, again, 0, 0.25, 0.5, 0.75, and 1. There you go. Colby. Tell me if that helped. Okay. CPU. You're supposed to be using. I thought you used the CPU for mining Monero, and the Threadripper was like Kang of mining Monero. Nice one, AA. Just randomly saying GPU and CPU. Good one, dude. Very helpful. But yeah, check out the CPU for Monero for mining. That's like one of the only ones that I've read is like good for CPU mining. Yeah, Colby, for sure. Otherwise, everyone would have it, right? Probably. Okay, man. I don't know. Been live for like an hour and 8 minutes. It's kind of like a chill night. Yeah, probes, man. A lot of people not here tonight. But you know, it makes sense, right? It's just like one of those nights. I don't know, man. Just like you know, some nights you got it, some nights you don't. And 420, hey man, decent day, decent 420. All right. All right, but dude, Tub Mullis, Mr. Damon, probes, dude.
Is that a joint?
Come on, can we look at Potcoin Connect? Ari.
Sure, man. Thanks, Bob Marley.
I enjoy your streams, dude. Have a beer on me.
Thanks, AF Visions, for the 690, dude. Kingage. Potcoin. Let me look at Potcoin.
Is that a joint?
Kappa.
What do you mean, Kappa? Do you not want to look at it? Do you not want to look at Potcoin, dude? It doesn't look that great, man. I mean, it might be wedging. A little bit. You know, shorter time scale stuff. I'll show you the way. Potcoin Connect. Alright. Alright, Potcoin. Went from a low to a high on fib extensions. Falling wedge is developing. I mean, might expect some price action reversal at 363, 328, or 279. Alright, you're getting that divergence, right? The 4-hour bullish divergence. I mean, the MACD, it's like continuous. You keep making on lower lows, lower levels, negative momentum. Which I was high on Pot News. What? He said Pot News? Nerd. Oh, excuse me, my God, man. Okay, now tail end. Bullish divergence, dude. Okay, there it is. So you got the bullish divergence. You get the falling wedge. You have not much support. Dude, look how beautiful. Low, lower low, lowest low, and all of a sudden higher low. And look where you went. Look at how Hypotenuse coin, man. Man, people ask, look at that, dude. Absolute uber ponage inverse. Head and shoulders. Ungodly pot, man. What was this, November 2018? I guess the rest of the market did stuff like that too. So anyway, falling wedge. Wherever we decided to bottom out at, you know, we could fib from high to low. We could also do the measured move to break to the upside. All right, but I mean, the way you've fallen below critical areas of support and you're now using them as resistance is not really good. So there is divergence, and so it could break to the upside. But what if we only run up to 450 sats before selling off again to these fib extensions? All right, The 1414 is a really nice area of support. If you look left, you see all the touch points, dude. Very, very nice support. But other than that, man, it's not a very strong support. All you got going for you is that divergence in the middle of nowhere, all right, in the Sahara. But yeah, it could be a potential trade setup soon, but maybe just not quite yet. Okay, all we're doing is running up, hitting the 20 moving average and using it as resistance hold. Gross. Okay. Pod Connect. And we say it's time podness. Podness, man. There it is. Oh, what ticker is this? Is this BAT? Is this XRP, man? People are trying to passive aggressively request coins in chat. Nice one. Hold on. Which one was it? Give me a sec. So freaking gross. Interesting. Well, yeah. Yeah, it does look like Strat Connect might be near some sort of critical support. You whipped off it once before running to the upside again. And you've since just sold off, and now you're creating that nasty, slightly upsloping consolidation after an impulse. Gross, man. Been selling off terribly since Christmas. Oh my god, Christmas time sell-off after a crazy retrace. Oh my god, the rising wedge on Strat Connect. Holy crap. Anyone remember this? It was over, dude. I remember us looking at this. It was like, dude, you're forming a rising wedge, dude. A rising wedge. We had bearish divergence on the daily MACD too, man. And I'm dead, right? It's like Will Ferrell in Wedding Crashers. So just nearing critical support. That's all I can tell you, dude. No divergence, though. No divergence. But that's what you're looking for normally. Can't hold that, man. It's probably plotted on the 4 hour. You can't hold that, dude. You're coming down here, man. Can't hold this 1941, 1945 sat range. See you down quickly at 1744. You got a low risk entry here, but you've got the lowest risk entry down here. Okay. There you go, Eklund. Okay. Strat Connect for you. Wow. Okay. So Bob Marley, AF Visions, Todd Mullis, Mr. Damon Min, Barbara Probst, Draligus Rex, Art of JR, Anon, Mr. Elixir, Ryan Phillips, and Mobius. Thanks for the Bitcoin contribution. Thank you all for the contributions tonight. I really appreciate that. Yeah, happy 420 to you, DJ. Okay, so it's been fun, y'all. It's been very fun. Yes. Yes, of course, Colby. It's better for much, longer term trends. And it helps with checking your math on making sure you have the right anchor points on the top side or bottom side. You need those three. So it helps with checking your math. Okay. All right. Y'all enjoy the rest of your 420. And I'll just see y'all tomorrow. So until next time, respect the T. Hey.
afraid it's the wrong way. I give her all that I have to give. I'm gonna make it hard to live. Salty tears running down to her chin. It ruins up her makeup and never wanna give. A cigarette pressed between her lips, but I'm staring at her tits. It's the wrong way. Strong if I can, but I am only a man, so I take her to the can. It's the wrong way. The only family that she's ever had is her 7 honey brothers and a drunk ass dad. He needed money, so he put her on the street. Everything was going fine until the day she met me. Are happy? Are you sad? Wanna shoot your dad? I'll do anything I can the wrong way. They talk all night, tried to make it right. Believe me, shit was tight, it was the wrong way. Don't run away if you wanna stay, 'cause I ain't here to make ya. Oh no, it's up to you. What you really wanna do is spend some time in America. Don't stop. She'll give you all that she got to give, but I'm gonna make it hard to live. Big salty tears rolling down to her chin, and it spills up her makeup and never wanna give. So we ran away, and I'm sorry when I said that straight to this very day was the wrong way. She took a hike, don't matter if I like it or not, because she only wants the wrong way. I give her all that I had to give, she still wouldn't take it. Oh no, her 2 brown eyes are leaking like a sieve, and it still ruins her makeup and never one give. Early in the morning, rising to the street. Light me up that cigarette, and I'll strap shoes on my feet. Got to find the reason things went wrong. Got to find the reason why my money's all gone. I got a Dalmatian, I could still get high. I can play the guitar like a motherfucking riot. Well, life is so love the one you got, 'cause you might get run over or you might get shot. Never start no static, I just get it off my chest. Never had to battle with no bulletproof vest. Take a small example, take a did it from me. Take all of your money, give it all to charity. Love is what I got, it's within my reach. And the subplot starts just straight from Long Beach. It all comes back to you, you're bound to get what you deserve. Try and test that, you're bound to get served. Love's what I got, don't start a riot. You feel it when the dance gets hot. Love is what I got. I said remember that. Love is what I got. I remember that. Love is what I got. I said remember that. Love is what I got. I don't cry when my dog runs away. I don't get angry at the bills I have to pay. I don't get angry when my mom smokes pot. Hits the bottle and goes right to the rock. Fucking and fighting, it's all the same. Living with Louis Dog's the only way to stay sane. Let the loving come back to me. Loving is what I got. I said remember that. Loving is what I got. I remember that. Loving is what I got. I said remember that. Loving is what I got. I got. So that's see, but we're done there.
that a joint?
Hope you enjoyed that one. Foghat, right? Slow ride. So we're going to slow it down maybe a little bit, the pace. But thanks for watching WRAY 88.8 FM and then 589 AM. Enjoy this song, Song of Love by Stephen Stills. Discovered it today. Happy 420.
And it's all in the way you wonder. If you think you learn it now, pick up your feet, you don't have to pick up your gun. You can crawl the sacred ground, 'cause you know the song of love. As it always seems to have been. Go on. Used to be down to Tear Gas and Club. What do you think about Renee? You know, like a flag. Nonsense is as nonsense does. The judges hear the promenade, and you know the song of love is empty now, as it always seems to have been. Go on, get it. But you got the song of love. Well, it's empty now, as it always seems to have been. Go on. Too tall, could've used a few pounds. Tight pants points, hollering out. She was a black-haired beauty with big dark eyes, and points all her own, sitting way up high. Way up firm and high. Out past the cornfields where the woods got heavy. Out in the back seat of my '60 Chevy, working on mysteries without any clues, working on our night moves, trying to make some front page driving news, working on our night moves. summertime. In the sweet summertime. We weren't in love, oh no, far from it. We weren't searching for some pie in the sky summit. We were just young and restless and bored, living by the sword. And we'd steal away every chance we could, to the back room, to the alley, or the trusty woods. I used her, she used me, but neither one cared. We were getting our share, working on our night moves, trying to lose the awkward teenage blues, working on our night moves. And it was summertime. Sweet summertime, summertime. Oh, the wonder. Felt the lightning, yeah, and waited on the thunder, waited on the thunder. I woke last night to the sound of thunder. How far off I sat and wondered. Started humming a song from 1962. Ain't it funny how the night moves when you just don't seem to have as much to lose? Strange how the night moves with autumn closing in. Night moves. Night moves. Yeah. Oh, I sure remember the night moves. And I'm funny how you remember. Funny how you remember. Most of my life I have spent alone. Most of this past year I've been searching for my home. I met a girl, she won't leave my mind alone. If she's listening, I hope she understands my song. It goes, if you get lonely, all you gotta do is call me and I'll come on run wherever you are, no matter how far.
just calling me again. If she needs me, I got to go. She's my best friend. 'Cause I promised her I remember what I said. I said, if you get lonely, all you gotta do is call me and I'll come on and run wherever you are, no matter how far. Most of this life is such a hard road to go down, go down. Count your blessings on the good friends you got hanging around. It takes two to be friends, it takes two to be lovers. You know you got it made when you got one's the same as the other. Then you say, if you get lonely, all you gotta do is call me and I'll come on around wherever you are, no matter how far.
That boy is good.
Adios, turd nuggets.
Is that a joint?
You probably can't because stockholders, right?